Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with you with another insane video! Woo! In this video, we are gonna learn how to make $83K in 30 days on the Sell Health CPA network. This is it. What you've all been waiting for. If you want to make that big money, come and watch it with Nick. Here we go. Benjamin's gonna show you $83K in 30 days on Sell Health. Woo! Let's go.
So this is called Sell Health, and I've literally made $83,000 this month so far. Last month, June 10th was the payout, was $63,000. Just paid ads. I'm promoting some of the top offers here on this platform. And I do talk about which ones they are. They're right here. Seaman Axe is the main one, and some of this one right here in my back end. That's it. Okay, and my retargeting, something like that, remote marketing. Very powerful. These offers convert like wildfire. You can actually do content marketing and promote these super well, guys. I do talk about this in another video. You guys can absolutely crush it. I mean, Nutra offers and health offers, they convert like wildfire. Like wildfire. So if you guys are interested in learning more, I do have more programs and stuff like that. And I mean, they're super affordable. I'm not trying to rip off anyone here or anything. Like literally, I make more money just from doing the stuff I'm teaching here. It's crazy. It's gonna be available, but then it'll be gone forever. And there's no risk to you. And I mean, the investment is super cheap for how much value you're getting, okay? It has the power to change your life. I'm teaching stuff that's gold. Hop inside of that, you could absolutely just change your life. I mean, make racks, bro. Racks. It's crazy. It's life-changing stuff I'm teaching here. This is gonna change people's lives forever. Peace out.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!